What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. After a month, kasi nag-Christmas break tayo.
Yeah.
Tapos, syempre, had to recharge and everything. Pero we're back with the PBA podcast. We're back for even better 2025 with more podcasts to do. Kasi technically, nag-start tayo last quarter na ng ano, di ba? Ng
Yung
2024.
maraming content and shit.
Oh,
Yeah,
yung
yeah,
tsaka tayo, try na
yeah,
natin mag all-in sa PBA content
yeah,
and UAP and Gilas. So
yeah,
ngayon, starting January pa lang, let's see, no? Sana maka 100K na this
yeah.
year.
Hopefully, man. And
Oo,
like,
sa malay mo.
sana maganda rin yung holidays nyo. As you can tell, maybe a few pounds were gained during the holidays. Pero normal na yun.
Oh,
Especially on
normal
my
na.
end. Especially
Oo.
on my end.
Marami ka ba nakain sa Japan?
Bro, of course, man. Ako pa ba? Shit.
Especially with that weather, mas napakain ka ba?
Yeah, dude, alam mo ba yung Airbnb ko nasa taas lang ng fucking Yakiniku restaurant. I
So,
will
baba lang kayo.
I'd go downstairs and I'd
Kahit
just be
solo
like,
ka, pupunta kakain ka lang mag-isa. Parang
I
ba, sige,
think
dyan muna kayo sa taas.
I think mga minimum may mga one time or two times na dalawa lang kami out of yung 13 members na pumunta sa family ko. 13 kasi
13,
yung
so kasama mga pinsan mo.
yeah, yeah, kasama ko yung cousins ko and shit. So like, may mga times na kaming dalawa lang ng pamangkin ko yung pupunta sa baba. Like, I gotta eat. Mga ganun. Like, kahit tunog na yung sambayanan, kung bababa pa rin kami.
Ano sige kumakain, yung mga ganun, mga 11.
Oh, dude, mga 11. Basta off na yung
Nagugutom lang
ilaw.
kayo.
Okay na. Yeah, dude. Oh, kasi alam mo naman ako, I get hungry at random times. Anyway, so sorry for that.
Okay, game. So, we're gonna discuss the top 10 guards in the PBA for the 49th season.
Yeah,
So, 49th season lang naman yung basis namin. And honestly, medyo mahirap talaga. It
yeah.
took us a while. It took me an hour
Took me a while.
just fumbling with my rankings, guys.
Me too.
So, ano bang criteria natin? So, we would skill, team impact,
May impact, skill.
um,
Mine is not,
dedication.
admittedly yung sa akin, ano, di lang siya, I'm just thinking about um how much they're affecting their team now and
So,
kung gaano
how
sila
valuable
ka-perform.
they are
Oo.
to their team. Yun, okay.
Oo.
So, basically, yung pinaka ano lang namin dito, guys, yung pinaka basis namin is how big their impact is for their team.
Yeah.
And sasabihin na namin kayo na maaga na wala kaming mahanap na stats for
Yeah.
cumulative kasi the PBA does not provide
Oo.
average stats unlike the NBA. Alam niyo na yun, alam niyo na yun.
Saka guys, I'll be so real. Yung basis ko for most of this was purely on how I see the game. I barely, di ko I mean, I did look at the stats for some, pero minsan lang may mga tao kasi naramdam mo yung laro outside of the stat sheet. So I think yun very important
At
yun.
wala rin eh. Wala ka rin, like, yeah, kita mo yung stats sa game sheet, pero wala tayo
Wala tayong legit
yung
na full
average.
stat.
Kasi
Oo.
walang sinishare. Walang
Oo.
sinishare anywhere.
Gotta
So,
fix that.
oh,
Yeah.
para lang alam, kailangan na
Gotta
ayusin yun.
fix
Sayang,
that,
content
guys.
yun eh.
Oo nga,
Content
totoo.
sana for content creators like us.
Totoo.
Anyway, share ko yung screen ko again. Welcome to Canva, guys.
Yes.
Favorite na.
Yes.
Okay,
Again, reminder, purely guards to ha. Purely
guards
guards.
lang. Guards
Guys,
means
wala kayong
point
makikita ng
guards
June
and
Mar
shooting guards.
Fajardo.
Oo,
Wala kayong
nakalagay naman eh.
makikita
Nakalagay
ng...
naman eh.
Oo. Promise guys. Baka may magsabi dyan ng ba't walang June Mar? Guys, mukha bang guard si June Mar?
Guards nga eh. Nasa title ng video na rin eh.
Tama.
Yung thumbnail.
Guys, wala na akong masabi kung di nyo magets na guards lang to. And I will be as
Yeah.
honest early as now, may mga taong hindi masasabi. May mga taong hindi
Gusto mo
masasabi.
mag-guess? May isang tao mag-aro. Nasaan si, ano, nasaan si,
Uh,
Save Lucero?
his name is, mukha bang guard yan? Isa ba?
Nasaan si
Asan si
Arvin
Arvin
Tolentino?
Tolentino? Come on, guys. That's not it.
Okay.
Ang aga namin sinasabi.
Clarify
Okay.
lang natin. Guards means point guards and shooting guards. Kita
Yes,
nahirapan.
sir.
Kasi
Yes,
pinag-mix
sir.
namin yung... Sa PBA naman, may mixing dalawang yun eh. Hindi
Yeah,
naman to
yeah,
NBA
exactly.
na
Ito
tier
naman
2
forwards,
lang.
nagdadala ng bola eh. Pero, you can tell when someone's a guard naman. I think you should be able to tell when
Pero
someone's a
yung
guard.
forwards natin, ginawa natin wings, di ba? Parang...
Wings, wings.
Pero next, sa Friday na yun.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ikaw muna.
No,
Who's your number
I
10?
want you to go
Yun
first. I
muna.
want you to go
Okay. First one ko is R. R. Pogoy. So, si Pogs, knockdown shooter,
Mhm.
proven, alam na natin what he can provide. He's a great defender. Started off as a great defender
Yeah.
with the Tamaraws.
Yeah.
I never thought na magiging two-way player siya now. And consistent pa rin yung production niya for TNT. Without
Mhm.
RR Pogoy, nahirapan sila manalo. And up till this day, still productive. He is their pag all Filipino Cup, second option,
Second option.
clear
Second.
second option. But with kahit nandiyan naman si RHJ, he's a third option, of course,
Yeah.
kasi RHJ, of Tana, then him.
Him. Yeah.
Diba? So for me,
Uh,
that's our way.
uh For I have I have his teammate for my number 10. I
Ito,
have Jason Castro. I have
Jason
Jason
Castro
Castro
nagpapasa
as number 10.
Okay,
I got
okay.
Jason Castro as number 10, guys.
Jason Castro. Finals
Oo.
MVP, Jason Castro.
Guys, alam ko matanda na si Jason, pero iba yung you can see it on the court, guys, talaga. He hits the big shots for TNT when he needs to. Siya pa rin yung tagakalma ng offense. I have I don't want to spoil my later picks, but obviously I have more TNT players coming in later. In this
Seryoso? Wala
list.
na akong TNT after
Oh, meron
him.
ako, meron ako, meron ako.
Sige, 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 go, go,
Wala
go.
kang ibang TNT. Oh, damn.
Wala na
Guys,
akong TNT.
how you know,
Hindi ko
hindi
talaga.
talaga nang pinag-uusapan ni Nico sino yung mga
Hindi
yung
siya
mga,
masaya, bro. Like, hindi siya masaya pag pinag-usapan natin prior. Wala
ayun.
yung suspense.
Oo. Tsaka I just finished watching ano eh. I just finished watching TNT versus Meralco.
Meralco, ganda rin.
Oo. Step back three, Jason Castro to take the lead. Assist Jason Castro. Alam mo yun, like, he calms down the offense for TNT pa rin. I still think he's one of the 10 best guards in the league even at his age. That's why I have Castro at number 10. I don't have R.R. Pogoy on this list, by the way. He was my number 11. Pogoy was my
May maiiwan talaga, may maiiwan talaga. Castro ko number
Pogoy was
12.
my 11. Yeah. Oh, Castro mo 12? Oh, damn. Okay,
Yung
okay.
mga honorable mention.
Yeah, yeah.
Yung next five. Hirap talaga, sobrang hirap. Ah, ikaw, you wanna go
It's
9?
really
Para
hard.
snake.
It
Snake
was really
tayo.
hard making this.
Snake na lang natin.
Oh, Snake. Okay, my number 9 is Wami Chongson. Okay, my number 9 is
Shit.
Wami Chongson
Iba
of the
talaga ang listahan natin.
San
Okay.
Miguel Beerman. Wala ba siya sa listahan mo?
Wala.
Gagi number 9 si
Nasa
Wami.
honorable mention ko siya.
Chiwami, okay, maybe I see it
Oo.
differently. Pero proving himself more than I thought. Admittedly, kasi before I did say na Wami was only good because he was on Terra Firma. Pero now na nasa SMB siya, admittedly naman, he does look pretty good.
Feel ko di siya
Still
naggamit na maigi, bro. Feel ko di siya may
oh,
na maigi.
right
Di
now.
siya feel ko di siya na-utilize na maigi.
Hindi pa rin. Feeling ko may mahirap pa rin sa kanya. But in terms of being a top 10 guard in the league, I think he's one of the better shot makers in the league. I think he's one of the better playmakers in the league for his teammates. Yun nga lang, yung overpowered San Miguel lineup is making him look a little weaker. Pero in terms of, for me, talent, he's one of the top 10 guards in the league right now. Tsaka defensively, umaayos na rin siya eh.
I just
Medyo
want more minutes. Actually, I just want to see more
from
Wami
Wami.
Chongson
I get that.
minutes.
I get that.
Oh, nasasayangan ako. Anyway, number 9 ko is Jordan Heading.
Oh,
So,
damn! I don't have Jordan.
Jordan Heading is proving in the actually sa SGA pa lang nung Dubai tournament pa lang pinapakita niya hindi
Yeah.
lang siya shooter.
Mhm.
Pinapakita niya doon na he can slash, he can
He
play
can.
make. And the fact dahil yun nga, dahil nandun sina Coach Charles, I mean dahil nandito si Coach Charles sa Converge at si Coach Raiko, obviously they know how to use
Mhm.
him. Nasasabi
Yeah.
nila kay Coach Franco
Yeah.
Atienza, ganito namin siya ginamit sa SGA, gawin natin to with Converge. Which is,
Yeah.
nakita natin, nagkaka-double-double siya with points and assists. Yung mga
Assists. Yes.
20 and 10, 30 and
Yes.
10. And he's a great
Yeah.
pairing for Alex Stockton, no?
Alex
Si
Stockton.
Jordan Heading. Oh, ang ganda ng pairing na ng dalawa. It just works.
It,
Considering na, and serviceable defender si Jordan Heading. Hindi siya
very
yung
decent. I didn't expect it to be this
very
good.
decent.
Yeah.
Kala ko
Guys,
magiging traffic cone siya.
sa totoo lang, I might get some flack for this. But the Jordan heading has looked much more um usable, much more impactful than Justin so far.
Who's
Balti.
Justin?
Baltazar,
Ah,
sorry.
okay. Ay,
Yeah,
malamang. Kasi Balti just got here and
Balti just got here. He's only
iba
played.
pa rin yung naglaro sa international na Jordan
Oh,
Heading. Iba
yeah,
yung angat niya.
yeah. Guys, yung impact ni Jordan heading on the team is really, really big. Uh, I honestly, I didn't put him on my top 10. Fun fact.
May
One of his,
maiiwan talaga. May maiiwan
yeah,
talaga. Ang hirap eh.
because admittedly, I'm not too I don't want to put too many rookies on this list because syempre may mga mas veterans and all that. So
Ah,
but then Jordan Heading is a very good guard. Probably nga a top 10, minimum top 15 guard in the league for sure.
alright. Number 8 is Mark Baroka for me. Alright,
All
yeah.
right.
Mark
All
Baroka.
right.
Gets mo
All right.
naman. Mark
Yep, yep,
Baroka,
yep.
despite playing, like, kalimutan natin na he's with Magnolia, no? Now,
Yep.
which I believe is a more of some say it's a coaching issue, some
Mm-hmm.
say it's the fit daw amongst all the players. Pero Baroka, is that kind of guard that gives you at least 13, 5, and 5. Mga ganun siyang guard eh.
Yep.
And despite being old already, ganda ng ano, na binibigay pa rin sa inyo ni Mark Baroka. He's clutch, he's a great player, great guard, great mentor to Jerome
Yeah.
Lastimosa. Na wala
Yeah.
sa listahan na to, obviously. He does not deserve to be in this list yet. Maybe
Yeah,
by
not yet.
season
Not
50,
yet.
by 50 siguro, no? If he continues, kung continue ni Jerome Lastimosa yung laro niya ngayon, till
Kaya
like
niya. Kaya niya.
January of
Kaya niya.
2026,
Oo. Kaya niya.
maybe,
Maybe.
pwede. Pero it has to translate to wins, it has to get to playoffs. Maraming factors.
I mean, he has to stay healthy.
He has to stay healthy, di ba? Ang daming
Yeah, a lot of things have to go right
factors.
now. Yeah.
Pero Mark Baroka,
Um,
alam niyo na yan. It's proven. Proven. Alam
yep.
niyo na yan. You can give.
Kasing proven yung, like, what Jason Castro, what Mark Barroca is to Magnolia is what I feel like Jason Castro is. My number eight, actually, I will replace my number eight because I did genuinely kind of forget about Mark Barroca. Mine will also be Mark Barroca for number eight. Um, I did
Okay.
kind of forget about him. I kind of whiffed on him a bit. I don't know why. Originally,
Medyo
out of
forgettable. Medyo forgettable Magnolia kasi this season
yeah,
eh.
this season kasi I don't know why. What's up with
2 and
Magnolia?
5 sila eh.
Guys, come on. Their roster isn't bad. Like, put in my guy James Laput right now.
That's our guy. All Filipino,
Yeah.
James Laput.
Put in James Laput, all Filipino guy. The Ivica Zubac of the PBA.
Oo.
Anyway, same thing as Nico. The pesky guard on defense. On offense, he's probably still, I think, is he not the number one option now or number two? Number two pa rin siya eh.
Arguably, one or two siya eh, na
Yeah,
after ni
arguably one
Ratcliffe.
or two pa rin
He's
siya eh.
next. The first
Yeah.
option sa Filipino. Pag na Filipino.
Yeah, he's
Would you,
still
no, no,
number
wait
one or
lang. Is
number
it
two.
Lucero over him? Would you say na first option? Mas binibigay kay Lucero. Again, wala tayong stats, guys, from the
Yeah, my
PBA.
thing is with Zave, parang I don't think Zave can create his own shot yet.
As of
As well,
now.
yeah, he still has to be kind of set up sa tingin ko. But he does have the ability. We've seen it. He has jump shots.
Kaya niya eh. Kaya niya ingin eh.
Yeah, kaya naman niya. Pero I think di pa siya ganun ka. He isn't that honed yet para maging first option. So I think either Baroka or maybe Ian Sangalang is your one or two. Then maybe Zave is
Actually,
your
Ian Sanggalang.
yeah.
Baroka Sanggalang na papag-interchange mo eh.
Yeah. And then number three is probably Zave. Kasi once Zave is able to gain the aggressiveness na kailangan niya and yung ability to create his own shot, magiging first option talaga yun.
Sino
Oh, my
ba?
turn. Number
Ikaw.
seven. Oh,
Paano
damn. I'm
tayo?
ready for this one. Okay.
Go.
Just solely on this conference alone, this guy has turned me into a believer. Number seven is Joshua Munzon.
Putay ina. Number 7 ko
Joshua
rin yan.
Munzon.
Lagay ko na rin.
Number
Siya rin
seven mo na
akin.
yun. Bro,
Number 7 ko na.
this guy, this conference has turned into something else. Yung shooting niya, ibang klase. That's
Grabe.
like,
Bigla
okay.
siya naging efficient shooter.
Oh,
Efficient
bigla shooter
scorer.
na siya. Clutch as fuck. Defensive as fuck. Rebounds the ball. Walang takot with anything. Half the reason why Northport is much better now as compared to last
One
conference.
loss lang sila.
Oo. Dahil yan sa ano guys, dahil yan sa
Munson.
uptick or dahil yan sa upgrade better development ni Josh guys. A lot of it has to do with Josh Munzon's development talaga. Defensively grabe pesky as fuck. Yung shooting niya, I don't
Best
know
number
where.
one in steals. I think number one in steals pa rin si
Talaga ba?
Munzon. It's always been number one for a few seasons na rin.
And then, ayun, and then, what else I have to say about him? Defense, shooting niya, I don't know where it came from. All of a sudden, it's there. All of a sudden, he remembers
After
how,
7 games, papasok pa rin
oh,
lahat.
like, dude, I remember he hit like, a four-pointer in one clutch game. Then the day after or 2 days after, he hit another three or four-pointer to end the game. Like this guy's upgraded himself a lot. Parang siyang nakabili ng VC sa NBA 2K tapos in-upgrade niya sarili
Consistency.
niya.
Green light.
Oo. Oo, naka-green light na siya. Yeah. That's what I have Josh Munzon at number seven.
Same lang for me. I think dagdag ko na rin na the reason Monzon is also playing well. Ganda rin ng fit ng mga backcourt na sinasama sa kanya. Evanele, saka
Yeah.
New.
Yeah.
Ang ano nila, ang likot nilang
Guys,
kahit sinong guards ang ilagay mo
kahit
sa
sinong guard
Northport,
mo
ang
yan.
gulo
Oo.
nila sa
Oo.
perimeter defense.
Wala pang halalon yan, gagi. Pag dumating na yung halalon, nakakatakot na yan. If pala.
Bagay pa ba si Gio? Di ko nagagalawin yan. Parang tatrade ko na lang si Halalon.
Pwede. Saan mo siya papadala? Siya yung mapadala right now.
SMB.
SMB. Uy, Gio,
SMB.
welcome to SMB. And Gio Halalon back to Magnolia.
Ah, binalik si Gio na sa Magnolia. Binalik lang din. Okay, ako naman, no? Ano natin si
Yeah,
Monzon?
number 6.
Number 6 ko, Stephen Holt.
Is he a guard? I don't. Okay, okay.
He's a
All right.
guard. For me, he's a
Okay.
guard. I
Okay, okay.
classify him as a guard.
Okay, that's
Guard
fine.
siya gamit ni CTC, di ba? He's a
For
one
me, kasi
to
mas forward siya eh. For me, for me.
really. Sige,
Sa
for me
tingin
na
ko,
lang
sa
is
tingin
the
ko.
guard. Pero this
Yeah,
can be argued naman. Ang hirap eh.
yeah.
Actually, Munzon, you can argue
I
can
could
because
argue, that's why. I could argue outside of
pero
both.
guard sila eh. For me, guard si Holt. He played majority as guard pa rin for me.
Yeah, I get that. I get it.
So, Stephen Holt, alam naman natin, he gets put on the best offensive player.
Yep.
Walang arte when he does it, knowing na he knows he can score 30 bucket whenever he can.
Yeah,
Uh, three-level scorer as well si Steve. Well, wala masyadong mid-range, pero 3 points and slashing for
yeah,
Stephen Holt. And it's worthy, kaya siya number one pick, diba? That's why napadala nila ni Nawami Chongson
yep.
yung Terra Firma to their first playoff. Alam mo, sa GDL and Isaac Go, no? We became Terra Firma fans at least for that
Yeah.
conference. All
Yeah.
Filipino yun, diba? That was
All
super
Filipino
fun.
yun. All
All
Filipino.
Filipinos
Naka-ano
na
ngayon
yan.
eh. Almost eliminated SMB.
Diba? Almost eliminated
Yeah,
SMB and that was a magical
yeah.
run that I wish never ended.
Yeah, and now Javi is Anyang. Shout out
Wala na
Javi.
yun. Basically, wala na yung starting five.
Wala na yung lineup na. Actually, wala na yung lineup na yun, guys. Napalitan na ni Vic Manuel and Stanley Pringle.
Pero shoutout kay Vic Manuel, ah. Shoutout kay Vic
Bro,
Manuel.
may asim pa rin talaga si Bossing.
May asim siya. Nag-enjoy
May
siya.
asim pa rin talaga
Nag-enjoy
si
siya
Bossing. I
therapy.
love it for him, pare.
Si
Um,
Terence Romeo, kailan babalik? Kailan maglalaro?
Terence Romeo, oh man, I wish we could see him in a Terra Firma jersey.
Imagine mo, may C-stand pa dapat yan.
Ups.
C-stand, Vic Manuel. Ops, ops,
Ups.
ops. I don't wanna
Ups.
get
Ups.
flagged. Oh,
Are
number
we
six.
sure?
Number six mo.
Number 6 ko. Okay, guys. I just want to add this. I don't have Stephen Holt at any point in this list kasi sa
Shit, oh, di
tingin
ba
ko, okay,
naman?
Holt is a wing. For me, Holt is
Okay,
a
for
wing.
you, for you.
Especially in Ginebra, Holt is a wing. So I don't have him anywhere here on this list. For the Ginebra fans watching this, I'm sorry he's not here for me because to me he's not a guard. Anyway, my
Okay.
number 6 is Cedric Bearfield. Okay.
Oh,
My
oh my
number 6
God.
is
He's
mali,
11
mali,
for
mali, mali,
me.
mali. Sorry, sorry, sorry,
Ano,
sorry, sorry,
ano?
sorry. CJ Perez. Sorry, sorry. Mali yung basa ko.
Okay,
CJ
okay, okay lang.
Perez.
Oh,
CJ
shit.
Perez. My bad,
Okay,
my bad,
CJ
my bad,
Perez.
my
Okay,
bad. So
okay.
now you guys know my five. Pero si CJ Perez.
Mas tumaas pa.
CJ Perez.
Seryoso? Barefield over Perez. O, sige, anyway. Sige,
Mhm.
listahan mo yan eh.
CJ Perez. Actually, nakalagay
Bakit?
kasi dito 5-6
Six?
eh. Nakalagay kasi dito 5/6 Perez, Bearfield. 6 CJ Perez because very good si CJ Perez sa tingin ko. Pero again, may mga times talaga na what is he doing, man? Yung shot selection niya, minsan I don't know what is happening with him. Minsan nawawala siya sa game itself. And SMB doesn't look good.
So, Mario,
Um,
dagdag ko lang. So, CJ Perez now is what Joshua Bonzon was last
yeah,
conference.
yeah, yeah. Nagpalitan sila, right? CJ shot has disappeared. And SMB I think right now is kind of lost in their own sauce. Alam mo yun? They don't really know where to go, what to do yet. I know I don't know what their record is right now. I think they're like four and something, four and something, five and
Aren't they
something.
3 and 4? Wait, check ko ngayon. May
Check mo.
standings naman ako ng PBA.
Three or
They
four,
are
four.
3 and 4.
Yun. Guys, that's not normal for SMB. I think he would be a lot higher on my list, I'll be honest. He would be a lot higher on my list, but because of SMB struggle, I think medyo and parang he hasn't really grown as a player yet. I mean, as much as you would want him to sa tingin ko.
He's in his
Uh,
prime na do. Like, parang for me, ito na siguro yung ceiling. Sa tingin mo ito ba yung
ito yung
ceiling ni
ceiling
CJ
niya.
Perez?
Okay
Type ko
lang.
ha,
Ito
si
yung ceiling
CJ Perez age.
age.
Gago 31 na eh. Pero again,
Yeah.
PBA naman to, di naman to NBA.
Yeah, and
So,
PBA is wing yung tagal mo sa PBA mas matagal eh. I think that's why I
uh,
have him at 6 because SMB is struggling, which is kind of funny because at number 5 I do have Cedric Bearfield. But the reason why I have Cedric higher than CJ is because I truly believe, ito personal opinion ko talaga to. I truly
tama lang
believe,
naman kasi snake naman eh. Sige.
yeah, I truly believe that Cedric Bearfield is one of the best shot creating guards in this whole league. Okay? Jump shooting wise, I don't know many point guards who can match Cedric's shooting. Mid-range, three-pointer, the way he's able to set up his teammates. And kita mo naman, dude, when Cedric Bearfield's off the court, Blackwater looks like absolute dog. Alam mo yun, like, they look like, I don't want to curse. But they look really bad without Cedric Bearfield on the court. That's why I'm saying that he's higher than CJ Perez. Because when CJ Perez is off the court for SMB, okay naman sila eh. Di naman sila walang kwenta eh. But I think that has something to do with the talent. Pero yun, Cedric Bearfield, sa tingin ko, even if he's just a rookie, he's one of the better guards right now in the league. Because when you look at Blackwater, when he's off the court, they don't look good at all talaga. They look borderline terrible without Cedric Bearfield on the court.
Okay, next one ko is CJ Perez. CJ ko at number 5.
Saan kaya yung Wala ka Cedric Bearfield?
Wala, guys, wala.
Damn,
Wala si
okay.
Bearfield ko.
Okay.
Nasa 11 ko siya, nasa 11. Nasa honorable mention ko siya.
I might be a little hyped on Cedric Bearfield. I might be a little
Okay
hyped on.
lang, di ba? At least ibang iba na yung listahan na. Hindi sa rookies kasi, yung last listahan natin, kokonti lang mga yun eh. Iilan
Yeah,
lang na rin yung mga rookies
that's
na
true though. That's true though. But
hindi
I don't
talaga
know,
mag-iiba
man.
masyado listahan natin. With,
I truly believe Cedric Bearfield is that guy. I
ako rin naman
truly,
number 1 ko si Bearfield nun eh. Number 1 natin
yeah, yeah,
dalawa
yeah.
si Bearfield, di ba? Number 2 natin si Barrientos. Anyway,
Abarrientos, yeah.
CJ Perez, I think Mario was able to share
Yeah,
kung bakit nga siya nasa 5-6 range, no? Medyo lost nga siya this time.
yeah,
Sana mag-ayos ni Coach Leo, considering Coach Leo pumasok ulit sa gitna ng season. So, in a way, pagbibigyan natin siya para at least to get a hold of the offense, hopefully heading into the 50th season. Kasi, in a way, medyo alanganin sila this conference. I don't expect them to become champions, unlike nung mga previous conferences, di ba?
yeah.
And, paiba-iba rin yung kasi yung import nila eh. Pero anyway, that's a different discussion.
How
That's a
many imports have they
different
gone through
podcast.
this conference?
Tatlo
Into
na.
three?
Tatlo na.
Uh, uh,
Tatlo na. Anyway, CJ Perez, number
Ew.
5, plays like, parang, kung ano yung reklamo namin kay Monzon nung last conference, garo si Perez
That's
kay
CJ
CJ
Perez now.
Perez. Yung parang di mo maintindihan, ba't yung tinira yun?
Kaya may mga times na ganyan,
May 19
Ba't
pa
mo
na
kaya
shot
tinira
clock.
yun? Oo.
Open si
Minsan
Marshall sa
napapaisip ka
corner.
eh.
Open si Marshall.
Minsan napapaisip ka sa mga tinitira ni CJ. Sorry.
4 na ba? Ako, no?
Yeah, ikaw. I think we have the same four. It's
Ulul,
impossible we don't have the
seryoso?
same top four.
Alex
It's impossible we
Stockton?
don't have the same top four.
Alex
Okay.
Stockton? Okay.
Okay.
Alex Stockton is a revelation since last conference pa.
Uh-huh.
Um, he just keeps on getting better per conference. The scoring, the defense, the reliability, alam ng Converge na ibibigay sa kanya yung bola in the dying seconds. May clear hierarchy.
Yep.
And kahit may import yan, kay Stockton binibigay yung bola.
Yep.
Imagine mo si Check Diallo, former NBA player, nagde-deliver kay Alex
Get
Stockton.
the fuck out of the
So,
way. Give me, give
bibigay
it,
kay
give me the
Alec eh.
Stockton. Give
And
it to
nakakatuwa
Stockton.
lang talaga si Alex Stockton. Hopefully we can get him to an interview
Oh, I would love that,
after,
dude.
before the start of the playoffs, no? Kung pwede.
Yeah.
Or if after the playoffs.
Yeah.
Kasi
Yeah.
nice to get
Converge
his
naman yun.
mindset.
Converge naman yun. Yeah.
Oh, madali naman mag-reach out to Alex Stockton. And but yeah. So ayan, may mga nakikinig, may idea na kayo sino babalak namin i-interview for before the playoffs.
Before the
Considering
playoff.
malapit na rin yung playoffs, no? Kasi in 2 weeks,
Yeah.
playoffs na rin natin in 2 weeks
Yeah.
eh.
Patapos na rin eh. Patapos na rin. Am I thinking about correctly? Okay. Wait
Pero
lang.
for mo,
Bago ako
Stockton?
pumunta sa 4 ko, di-defend ko muna yung Cedric Bearfield ko.
Sige, kailangan mo pa ng extra.
Kailangan ko i-defend. Guys, alam kong pangit yung team nila, okay? Alam kong bottom of the standing sila. Pero skill-wise talaga, skill-wise, you guys need to understand, Cedric Bearfield, skill-wise, is now is really, really good in terms of skill. If Blackwater had even a
Troy
slightly
Rosario.
better, yeah,
Kung dyan si Troy Rosario, feel ko na
dude,
they're gonna fight for a playoff spot.
dude, if Cedric, if Blackwater was 500 right now with a whatever record they have, like 4-4 or whatever. If they could be equal wins and losses, I'd have Cedric Bearfield so much higher than 5. That's how high I am on Cedric Bearfield. Yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-defend yung Cedric Bearfield ko. Kasi medyo napaisip ako kung bakit wala siya sa listahan ni Nico eh. Pero ayun. Gusto ko
Yeah,
lang
and for me kasi yun nga, naging factor yung record nila, naging
yeah.
factor. Madami,
Maraming
pero
factors
yun
kasi
nga,
guys.
for me malaking factor ang winning. Pero again, personal criteria naman.
Yeah. But
For
my
mo,
number 4 is Chris Newsom. The number four
Oh,
is
okay.
Chris
So I'm
Newsome.
assuming our 1 to 4 ano na yan, it's a jumble
I
of
thought I said,
these
right?
four
1 to
na
4 natin, pareho na yan.
magkakaano na. Oo.
Oo.
Not pareha,
Siyempre.
parehas pero it's a matter of the same
Same
names pero
laman.
nasa ang number.
Agree. Number four is Chris Newsome. Guys, one of the best defending guards in the league. Gilas stalwart. Um, Greatly improved three-point shot. That guy is now a sniper. Mid-range shot is still as deadly. Attacking the rim, putting pressure on on centers, and he's locking up anybody who you put in front of him. It's very easy for me to put Chris Newsom even higher on this list. Pero sa tingin ko yung other three are a bit better. But Chris Newsom's number four to me. Again, um, I think there may be something to do, what's this called? Because there has been some injury concerns with Chris Din, this
This
conference.
conference, no?
Yeah, there has been some issues with his injuries, that's why he's a little lower than the other three. Pero when he's healthy, Chris Newsome is absolutely a top three guard in the league.
I
Now,
call it.
again, number three is Alex Stockton. Number three to
Okay.
me is Alex Stockton.
Bakit
Same
mo
with
pinili
Steve.
si Stockton over Newsom?
Uh, Genuinely kasi, Converge isn't where they are right now without Alex Stockton. Okay, at all. Not even close. They wouldn't be even close. Kasi, no offense to the other guards of Converge. But outside of Stockton and Heading, it's not that great, if you ask me. Sa tingin ko. So, Alex Stockton to me, and the fact nga na you said, he is literally the number one option. It's not Arana. It's not Heading. It's
Siya
not
eh.
Balti. It's not even Chick. It's Alex Stockton. No matter who's on the court, he's the number one option. And may on switch siya eh. He knows when he has to distribute. He knows when he has to score. And I like that about him. A bit higher than Chris Newsom to me right now, maybe because of the possibility na bata pa rin yun eh. Alam mo yun? Like, his game is still expanding talaga for me. That's why he's number three. Higher than Chris.
Okay, okay.
Who's your number three?
Number 3 ko is where's my list? Wait lang. Number 3 ko is Chris Newsom.
Yeah. Okay.
So, alam naman natin. Sabi ko, wait lang. Imposible hindi ko siya nilagay.
Oo eh. I was like, why was it six?
Chris Newsom. So, Chris Newsom, champion,
Yeah.
proven player already, two-way player.
Yeah.
And sabi ko to kay Mario before na if may papalitan si Alex Stockton sa Gilas, it's gonna be Chris Newsom.
Chris. Yeah. It's gonna be
Yeah,
Chris.
they play the same. Di ba?
Exactly.
In a
Yeah.
way.
Literally.
In,
Yeah.
literally the same. Si Stockton is just younger,
Yep.
more
Exactly.
spry, less injury prone than Newsom. Then again, Newsom has so much mileage on his knees.
Yeah, remember
Tanda na si
that.
Newsom, 34?
Yeah, and
Chris
he had
Newsom
so
age.
many international tours na, dude.
Dami na, 34 na kasi Nunu.
Remember rin kasi
Kasi naalala ko.
international si Chris.
Yeah, so, but again, hindi ko as you can see, no, ang laki ng factor sa akin ng how much you won
Yeah.
in the past, being with Meralco as well na may consistent aspirations na gusto mo kailangan mag-champion, kailangan mag-go deep in the playoffs, and siya yung leader nila, and first option, ngayon wala ulit na Alain Maliksi, no? Nawawala siya,
Yeah.
talagang injury. Ayaw nila i-disclose, no? I wonder what
I
happened
don't know
to
what's
Alain
happening.
Maliksi.
I'm very curious what's happening.
I don't know what happened to. Pero
Yeah,
buti dyan si CJ Cancino.
and Aaron.
Nahinatak.
And Aaron. Hmm.
And Aaron, nahinatak yung arm ni RHJ kanina. Nakita mo yun? Bakit
Hindi
siya
na pa natin yung
nagka-flagrant
part na yun.
foul? Feel ko kasi naipit lang. Pero
Ah,
delikado.
okay.
Naggumaron kasi yung. So nag-drive si, ano, di ba, RHJ.
RH, yeah.
Si Cancino was beside him. So I think the way RHJ contorted his body, naiwan yung right arm niya dun sa arms ni Cancino na nakaganon.
Naipit.
So naipit. So imagine mo
Hmm.
gumanon. So sabi ko, shit, konting mali lang
Konti na
yan.
lang, yeah. Konti na lang.
He's out for the season.
Yeah, for
Kung
sure.
shoulder, di ba shoulder injuries are
Yeah,
so
shoulder
scary.
injury
Mga
pa
torn
naman. Yeah,
labrum.
exactly. Exactly.
People forget na shoulder injuries can cost you
Yes, you.
a
Yeah.
year.
Yeah, dude. Shooting.
Ba?
Yeah. So,
Even though
but
kaliwete siya, pero still, kailangan ni
yeah,
RHJ
still,
for
you still
defense.
need both your arms. you
Yeah, you
still,
still,
you
kahit di
still
ba
gotta
shooting.
raise them. You know?
Kailangan pa rin ng guide hand.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anyway, ako pala ulit, no?
Yeah, you're number two.
Ito na yung mahirap.
I know where you went. I know where
Robert
you're going. I
Bolick.
know where you're.
Robert
Robert
Bolick.
Bolick number two?
Robert Bolick number 2.
Okay.
Ako nahirapan talaga ako dito.
Before you
Pero
go with
again,
it, Before you go
consistent
with it.
talaga. Bakit?
Number 2 ko rin si Bolek. Lagay mo na rin. Sabay na
Sige,
natin.
sige, sige, sige.
Lagay mo
Dagdag,
na rin.
fill in na lang what I missed na lang ah.
Go lang.
So for me, kung si Bolick na sa ibang team na nananalo, he would have been number one.
Yeah.
Ito lang talaga yung, actually, wala naman akong reklamo kay Bolick, just that sometimes he's limited by by his teammates eh. Sometimes na the team is just not talented enough.
Yeah. That
Like
happens.
fringe playoff contender ang ano eh, Index.
Mm-hmm.
I could say I work there. So
Yeah.
nakikita ko talaga day in day out yung team. And hindi naman kasalanan ni Bolick, it's just that talaga yun lang yung pieces na meron siya eh.
Yeah.
And but the body of work man, 28 and 9, 28 and 10 on a consistent basis, can attack and slash, can mid-range.
Mm.
Uh ang only flack ko lang sa kanya is sometimes he tends to argue with the ref so much na nasa kabilang possession na yung team.
Lumalaban pa rin
Nag-free
siya.
siya sa kabila.
He's the Luka of the PBA. He's the Luka.
Yun. He's the Luka of the PBA, but to be considered a Luka, it means you
You're
still have
pretty
those
damn
insane
good.
stats.
Yeah, you're
You're
pretty
still
damn
fucking
good.
good. He's still a
Yeah, you're
superstar.
pretty damn good.
If
Exactly.
Bolek was in TNT or if Bolek was with like sabi natin just in a winning team, like in a team na umabot lang kahit ng finals, number one ko
Yeah.
easily yan. Kahit di pa
Dude,
siya nag-champion pag nalaban ko si Bolek. Parang,
dude,
Robert Bolek.
ano mo, if you put Bolek around the shooting and the size of some of the other teams, champion yung team na yun eh.
Champion yung team mo.
Dude.
Ceiling
Kasi,
racer yun.
no offense to NLEX and and whatever. Pero iba yung shooting talent ng ibang teams right now. Right, admittedly. If you put Marshall Lassiter with Robert Bolick, I think you are winning. You are at number four, minimum number four seed agad. But because he isn't surrounded by the best shooting in the world and may lack of size yung NLEX up till now. Who is the biggest player of NLEX?
Si
Is
Mike,
it still
si Mike. Yung ano namin,
Miranda?
center namin. I don't want to
Mike
talk about that.
Miranda?
You said the biggest.
Yeah.
Import?
Size. No, not local.
Ah, gago. Miranda?
Jake?
Miranda,
No,
Mike
not Jake.
Miranda and ano. And Jake.
Yeah.
Miranda, no, not Jake. Si Dave. It's Dave. Jake's not even in
David,
the
guys, compare nyo naman yung size ng bigs ng I always tell Nico this because I watch a lot of NLEX games. Because I want to also I support NLEX. Isang big lang talaga eh. You need one more big for NLEX to
na
succeed.
local na local.
Na
Not si
local.
Watkins. Oh, si Watkins.
Watkins is good, guys. Don't get me wrong.
Ang reklamo ko lang kay Watkins though, he tends to nagrereklamo din sa kabilang end na nagtatapot na sa kabilang end yung possession na sa kabilang.
Ba-
Oh, may ganoon din. May pagkaluka siya na pag
May
na-feel na dapat
pagkalumaan.
na foul siya, kakausapin niya talaga. Tapos next
Yeah.
thing you know, tapos na yung offensive 4 on 5. Tapos yung camera, so papansin ko, okay, 4 on 5 na naman. Siguro si Mike nagagalit sa
Tumakil
kabila.
sa ilalim.
And true enough, nagagalit nga siya.
I forgot what game that was.
Oh.
May isang game na sabi ko talaga putik. And Lex is having such a bad game because of the referees right now. I forgot what game that was.
Ayan nga, naging
I
4v5
messaged you that eh.
madalas.
Sabi ko, ina, grabe yung refs. Anyway, guys, again, this is, I think, another Bearfield type of situation where yung skill ng player, hindi nyo masyadong napapansin because of the lack of the superstar talent around them. Yun lang yun eh.
Or
Believe
rather,
me,
consistent help
yeah.
lang. Kahit di superstar talent.
Yeah, guys, like if Robert Bolick was passing the ball wide open to Jamie Malonzo, he
Ito,
would
ito Mario. Tama. If Bolick was in SMB, or basta the SMB, Ginebra, TNT, basta those teams or Magnolia,
Toronto.
easy 12 to 13 assists per game.
Oh, guys. Yeah, guys. This is what I truly believe. The reason why it's hard for Robert Bolick now is because all he can do is score. Okay? At some point kasi, it's not easy to just score. Kasi, yung iba yung kakampi, it, sometimes, hindi mo sila marerelayan in reality. Because, so Robert has to focus on himself. So his assist numbers could be down because he has to go do more of the scoring. And then, on the other end, yes, may mga issues siya defensively. Pero, admittedly, man, this guy is still a very, very lanky guard. Good on stealing the ball, very good. Rebounding the ball, very good. Yun nga lang, again, may lack lang of the people around him. That's why he isn't reaching the pinnacle of of like PBA glory. He's not reaching semis, he's not reaching the finals. That's nothing to do with Robert Bolick. Yun yung masasabi ko doon. Walang say si Robert Bolick dun sa di pa siya nakaabot ng semis or ba't di pa siya nakaabot ng finals. Because any other team that would have put Robert Bolick there, maabot yun.
Yeah, dapat B-League player si Bolick pero nagka-issues
Yeah.
lang yung wife niya sa pregnancy kaya umuwi eh. And di naman kasalanan ng wife niya. Sinasabi lang namin na B-League talent si Bolick eh.
Really level. Guys, national team talent yan, guys. National
National
team.
team talent.
National.
Pero
By the way.
ayaw ni
By
Coach
the
Tim
way.
mag-expand ng pool talaga eh. He's very adamant, no? Kahit na-injure si Kai. We gotta
Bro,
pull back
he
Japet
ain't
in there.
moving. He ain't moving that pool,
Nagsabi, I
dude.
think we gotta pull back Japet. Ako
Hey
parang,
yo, hey yo, Japs. I mean, Kai, you can play Japs. Get in there, man.
pati ako feel ko si Japet at yung pamilya niya.
Yung ano yung tipo, hey yo, Junmore, you can play. All right, Mason, come on in, man. I
Kasi
swear,
hindi pa ready si Mason talaga eh.
di
Pwede ba
gumagalaw
dagdag
yung
natin si
listahan
Balti?
ng
Pwede ba dagdag muna natin si Balti?
guys, dagdag nyo naman si Heading, Palti, Stockton, Bolick,
Ding Balti, Stockton, Matthew Wright, Bolick. Yun,
Matthew Wright,
dagdag.
Bolick. Ang dami, guys, promise. Ang
Okay,
dami.
number one
But
mo.
hey, I will not shit on results though. He is getting the results. He
Who
is
are we talking
getting
about?
Coach Tim.
Ah, yes, yes, ano
Yeah.
lang natin to.
I'm just saying, like,
Yung ano lang,
man, it could be maybe even better, man. It
it could
could
have
really,
even been better, yeah.
yeah. Number
It's
one,
good. Ano.
very obviously, you already wrote it and you say it, Scotty Thompson.
Tinatype ko na nga eh.
Guys, come on. End of the day, I don't think Ginebra is anywhere close to the team they are without Scotty Thompson. Um, does everything. Does literally everything. Points, rebounds, assists, defense, hustle, hype, whatever you need it to be, nagagawa niya talaga. There are games naman I do. Oh, I forgot to say this about Bolik, by the way. He also has tendencies to shoot the weirdest shots in the world.
He does, he
He
does,
does
he
have those
does.
tendencies. Pero again, the added point to that is, wala siyang
Green
choice.
light siya eh.
Wala siyang choice eh.
Wala rin choice si Coach Jong eh.
Oo. Tangina. Guys, would you rather have Robert Bolick taking the 4-point shot or would you rather have blank? Alam mo? Like, guys. Anyway, going back to Scotty. Again, does everything for Hinebra. Heart and soul of Hinebra at this point. Not to sound like an asshole because this will sound like an asshole thing. Pero this is no Jamie Malonzo. This is no Jeremiah Gray. This is with no Isaac Go. Hinebra shouldn't necessarily be that much of a contender, considering how those three names alone are a starting lineup. Are starting lineup players, man. But the reason they are at that level is because nga, Scotty Thompson, I think, is able to continue to hold the team together even with the lack of those. Even when Japet was out, nagagawan pa rin niya ng paraan, di ba? Mga ganyan. Like, Scotty is still number one guard in the league, if you ask me. Kenter,
Champion, ano pa ba? Good
champion,
player. Lahat eh.
MVP.
Two-way player.
Yeah, yung problem na talaga with Scotty sometimes is yung aggressiveness niya. Pero, that's nitpicking it.
Nitpicking na yun.
Yeah.
Kasi si Scotty, kahit 5 points lang, alam mong nakadistribute yung ibang ano niya eh. Contributions niya. Si Bolick, pag bring down mo to less than 10 points, alam mong talo index by more than 15.
Oo.
Alam mong agad
Oo,
na
yun.
ganun.
Yun, period yun. Yun, literal na period yun. People, yeah, like,
But then again, that's again the talent, di ba?
yeah.
Again, talent to. Pero ganun
Yeah,
mo na
but then,
makita na,
like, yeah, like, Scotty Thompson is, uh, yung adaptability niya talaga is what I think puts him above most of the guards in the league. He literally is a literal na Swiss Army knife at your point guard and matalino at the game. It helps nga that he does have Coach Tim and much talent around him. But he's playing with what he's given and yun nga, number one pa rin siya for me.
oo nga, pero I think we forget to say na yung basketball IQ ni Scotty Thompson,
Ay,
malayo talaga.
ang taas,
Sobrang
gagi.
taas ng
Ang
basketball IQ ni
taas.
Scotty Thompson.
Oo, sobrang taas nun. And ayun, Yeah, that's my list. I am quite there are names I want to mention yung honorable mentions ko. Honorable mention number one, Ray Batak. I think he does well for TNT naman. My other honorable mention is Andre Karakut of Ross. I don't think we mentioned any of the Ross guards. But then Andre Karakot, I think honorable mention for me. Same with Adrian Nocum. And then lastly, last honorable mention for me is Tyler Teo of Phoenix. Very good guard. Very good guard.
Same. Akin naman, Cedric Bearfield, Barrientos, Tyler Teo, Ray ng Batak,
Yeah.
and Adrian Nocum.
Yeah,
I like
exactly. Same.
Adrian Nocum.
Yeah.
Pero sa napansin mo sa Ross talaga, no, they need a top 5 player talaga. To,
Yeah. So this is
kulang
the
na, isa na
problem,
lang.
right? This is
Di
the
ba sa Ross,
problem for us.
matagal natin sinasabi, season 48 pa ata.
Yeah.
Matagal
Guys,
na Ross
we
na ano.
named two honorable mentions from Ross alone. But then, none of them are a top 10 guards in the league yet. Wala pa rin, so I can make a whole video about Ross. Okay,
Feel ko
I
sa
can,
Wings, magkakaganon din tayo.
yeah, Mamuyak, Santillan pa lang.
Mamuyak,
Pwede to
Santillan. Feeling
honorable
ko,
mention.
depende. We have to look at the wing list eh.
Yeah. Actually, nagawa ko rin lahat ng listahan. Bashare ko lang.
Ah, really?
Yeah, nagawa ko na lahat eh.
Wings tayo sa Friday.
Whenever you tell me lang, I'm gonna be like, okay, I know, I have my list for everybody na. Pero,
Oo.
i-adjust ko onte. Kasi,
Gulat
may
ako,
nag,
alam mo to si Baroque. What? Si Mark
medyo
Baroque.
may na-realize ako sa aking pag-iisip na, o nga pala, ba't ang taas ni Cedric Bearfield dito?
Eh, wala na, tapos na eh. That's the recording.
Alright.
Alright, so salamat guys. Thanks for listening. We're back. So hopefully maka twice a week kami na pods. And
Yeah.
ngayon palapit na yung PBA playoffs. Here naman kami with our
Keep watching that shit.
post-game reactions natin. Kasi ano eh, nakakapagod kapag regular season. Kasi di, again, sa regular season. Pero
Yeah.
pagdating ng playoffs, pwede na natin kasi ano eh, i-nitpick lahat na nakikita natin. Considering na iba yung laro talaga sa playoffs sa PBA compared sa regular season.
Dude.
Iba
Oo.
talaga yun, no? Pati sa PBA, kita marami iba eh.
Yung finals last season, yung TNT Ginebra, puta, ang lupit nun eh. I
Oh
will
yeah.
say, I will genuinely say, the last three finals in the Philippines, UAAP finals, DLSU versus UP, NGAA finals, San Beda, Mapua versus CSB,
Benit.
and then
Oo.
PBA finals of Ginebra versus TNT were all maybe top three to top five finals of all time of all of those
All
leagues.
time, I don't think consider na all time naman yung Mapua CSB.
I mean, okay, fine. Maybe that could be the exception there. Pero
Oo.
yung UP DLSU, that was a very, very, very good series. Yung Hinebra TNT, I think was also a very good series, admittedly.
Could have been better lang sana siguro if they were complete, no? If Jamie was
Oh
there, if
yeah.
Isaac Go was there, if Gray
BGR
was there.
was
Imagine
there.
kung complete yung both. Yeah, easy 7 games yun. Easy seven
Yeah.
games.
Yeah. So ayun nga. Right now, PBA, if you ask me, PBA basketball, PBA, Philippine basketball is literally um it's like it's like booming right now. Sorry for the lack of a better term, but everywhere you look right now, Philippine basketball is so it's great right now. You have the Korea boys about to you have new Korea boys about to make their splash with Kagulangan and Kiambao and Escami. No, wala pa si
Sis
oh,
Kamis, wala pa ano,
sorry.
word.
My
Pero
bad.
wild si SJ Belangel, bro. Kaka 36 points lang. Imagine mo yun, SJ.
Oh, SJ Belangel, put that
Isa
man.
pang Gilas inclusion.
Give that man an MVP award, KBL. I'm telling you, SJ Belangel is insane. Um, and I'm not even on. Well, now I am. But then at the time, I hated Belangel because I wasn't from Ateneo yet. But then, ayun, put that man in Gilas, give that man an MVP. I really need at some point there will need to be a video we make about who should be on Gilas around the world right now. There are names obviously that we've mentioned so many times that we've mentioned the Stockton.
Pag Gilas
We,
season na ulit. Pag Gilas season
yeah.
na ulit. Which is in
At so it
February.
has
So
to
next
happen.
month.
Yeah. Next month? February, meron.
Window 2.
Putik
Not
ni.
window 2, but the next window.
Yeah.
Pero
Mm.
this time, ata ano eh, makakalaban natin New Zealand sa home turf nila, Bermuda.
Oh, no.
Imagine mo kung walang Kai Soto, kakainin tayo ng mga yun.
Hindi ah. But what about AJ Edu and my boy,
Okay,
Chate
ganito.
Aguilar.
If AJ Edu was there, feel ko laban tayo.
Yeah,
But I feel like AJ can replace what Kai brings defensive end.
yeah. Uh, but dude, honestly, if you ask me, di naman it'll always end with the guards at this
So
point.
guards talaga.
Yeah,
Guards,
kasi
the
di
guard
naman
play.
ganun kalakihan yung I mean, like they aren't that imposing in the paint. Yung
Pero alam mo yung New Zealand, parang they had that guy na si, yung mga bago nila, yung mga bata, nag-tres talaga. Parang Mark ka rin maglaro eh, no?
si
Forgot the
Wardenberg,
names. Wardenberg.
Sam
Sam
Wardenberg.
Wardenberg.
Yeah, dude, y'all Sam Wardenberg even on he plays for the Cairns Taipans in the NBL. Don't ask how I know that.
Oh, look at this guy, this odds man.
Yeah, New Zealand's a bit different now. That's why to me they aren't that imposing inside talaga eh. So even without Kai, I'd still give us a chance. We'll talk about all of that once we get to the Gilas thing. But yeah, this was our quick about the guards of the PBA right now. On Friday, you said, right? Friday.
Friday next recording natin.
There will be wings, and then we'll have the bigs. Feel free, guys, to shit talk me about my picks.
Oh,
As
comments lang.
yeah,
Kasi talaga mahirap eh.
yeah, feel free, even on the Bearfield one, but I will stand by that. I will stand by Cedric Bearfield.
Alright, see you guys. See you all next time. Peace.
You didn't say your
Oh
you
yeah,
didn't say.
sakto. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and then on Spotify, follow 5-star rating. It's been a month. It's been a month since we last
Yeah,
did this.
sorry.
So I'm allowed
You're still
to
getting
mess
back. We're
up.
still getting back the rhythm. We're still getting back the rhythm.
Ginagawa namin ulit yung flow.
Yeah, yeah,
Alright,
yeah.